Oh, would you shut them backup alarms up? Good grief. Two can play at that game. Getting all the equipment fueled up, ready to go. Stuff like that. So, put some grease in that tool, be good to go. The DeWalt is a choice of grease gun today. You guys have seen me grease before. I'm not gonna bore you. Yeah, gone. Is this fog bad? Good grief. Huh. I've never seen fog hang on this long in my life, and it's 11 o'clock and there's still fog. Yeah, this just sucks. There, now that fog's finally starting to burn off. Good deal. I'm using a road grader to windrow ruts and garbage and stuff like that. Don't do too bad of a job. Someone just dropped another load of lime, so we can finish this field out. We're making way. Lots of excitement. But hey, look at it this way. At least that fog is burning off. Hooray, hooray. You guys wanted to see the road grader work, so there it is. Just low John Deere 570. Peeling an orange is way worse than texting and driving. But, well, peeling and driving is way worse than texting and driving. Let's put it that way. But are these things sure good? So things are going well. They're actually going a lot better than anticipated. I'm gonna go clear over there where then I gotta jump over there by the hoe and do all that over there. Then I gotta run out front there and do that, and then I will be done. This thing will stay out here because I gotta get them corn stalks over there when that guy gets done picking his corn that he never got done yet. And now we get to jump back over here to where we left off last night. I'm gonna try and cross this waterway here. He said he didn't know if I'd punch through it or not, but oh, they went the front end. So from, let's see, there to the grass is somebody's property. And then this is our property up to the corner of this building here, where that pin is. So what I'll do is lift the tool, turn around and go back, listen to them 3-point arms clangety clang bang, because this tractor runs the ripper, and we only use the ripper like maybe once every other year or so. It's just easier to leave them on than take them off and screw them around doing stuff like that. Yeah, that hoe hasn't been taken care of. Well, I mean, it has, and I'm not gonna lie, I see faded paint all over it, but yeah, it is what it is. It's a nice looking hoe from far away. Up close. Now, he did point out to me yesterday when we were scoping this out, showing me all the boundaries and everything, that yeah, right over there somewhere is a drain. Why there is a drain out in the middle of this field, I got no clue. I really don't have a clue why there is like a storm sewer drain. Out in the middle of this field. I don't know. It's just the way people are. He said if I smash that thing, I might as well just go look for a new place to live and a new job and basically start from scratch again. I think it's right there where them weeds are. I think. But I'm not sure. I'm almost 100% sure that's where it is. I have to get out and walk it when I get closer to it. Everything seems to be working well, pretty well with the tillage tool. What the heck is that? Oh, they got doggy. Oh, they got doggy. But yeah, they put a catch basin there. Now, why they didn't put a pipe up there, I don't know. Oh boy, I better get moving or else the doggies will come get me. Oh boy, stay there. I'm gonna go this way because them doggies sound mean. Oh boy, I'm gonna go on this side of my tillage tool because them doggies sound mean. Oh, I hate doing corners, but you gotta do them to make a field square. If you didn't have corners, well, then a field would just be round and it wouldn't amount to nothing. You'd just be stuck going around in circles all the time. Yeah, I totally screwed this up last night. I don't know why I just didn't just go right on through this darn waterway. Instead I dicked around and picked the thing up, screwed around. I don't know why I did it like that. Oh boy, but it will get done. This little dicked up triangle will get yeah, now that I know that you can farm right through this thing because it's a pretty big waterway. Dad said don't, I think he meant the one out back, but it'll all get done. And then he said that little triangle there, right there in front, is their property. Now, if you guys look up the road that way just a little bit here when I get ready to make my turn, right over there, I bet that field looks familiar to some of you, don't it? It should. Let me know if that there field looks familiar to you. Well, there's Farmer Jason out there with his skid loader, stomping away, playing around in the brush pile. And that's it. Now to just do the ends off. The 6120 is way over there with the box scraper, and the road grader is parked up there by a service truck. And I get to do the ends off now. Yay. I just about wiped that tank or whatever the heck that thing is out. Yeah, there's a bunch of valves and everything on this end here, and I kind of got a little too close on this end, was it? And about went kaboom. Hey, this ain't no NASCAR race through here. What's that guy think he's doing? Out there making all that dust in our field. Don't he know that that's trespassing? Oh no, that ain't somebody out there trespassing. That's Farmer Pete spreading lime. Oh, very good. Got all kind of excitement out here this week. So much excitement, I might not want to go home.